Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the Hikarinowa B flat beginner student clarinet. This instrument is designed specifically with new players in mind, aiming to provide a solid starting point for learning the clarinet. Let's talk about the build quality first. The clarinet is constructed from high-grade bakelite, which is a common material for student instruments due to its durability and resistance to temperature and humidity changes, unlike wood. The keys are nickel-plated, which adds to their longevity and provide a smooth feel. The description highlights that these materials contribute to a stable sound and ensure the instrument isn't easily broken, suggesting a good service life, even for a beginner model. The nickel-plated keys are also noted for having fast rebound springs, which should offer a quick response and good tactile feedback for the player as they develop their finger technique. Moving on to the sound, the description promises a fabulous tone. It's a 17-key B-flat clarinet, which is the standard configuration for beginners. It's described as having an ergonomic shape that feels good in the hand, which is important for comfort during practice sessions. The tone is characterized as full and classic, capable of creating a vibrant atmosphere. While the description mentions it's suitable for music lovers and professionals and very worth collecting, the primary focus here is clearly on its suitability for learning. The flexibility offered by the 17 keys allows players to explore a wide range of music. In terms of craftsmanship, the instrument features digitally and mechanically pierced tone holes, which is intended to improve intonation stability, crucial for beginners learning to play in tune. The joints where the sections connect are finely polished and designed to fit tightly when assembled, which helps prevent air leaks that can affect sound production. The piston structure is described as well-designed and easy to play, contributing to the overall ease of use. The precise opening of the tone holes is also credited with helping to create a good sound quality. Ease of play is a major selling point for a beginner instrument, and this clarinet kit seems well-equipped in that regard. It comes with everything needed for setup and tuning. The adjustable double port connector is mentioned as being easy to adjust for tuning purposes. The overall design is intended to be easy to learn and play, allowing even beginners to produce a rich tone relatively quickly. Maintenance is also considered, with a cleaning device included, making it easy to keep the instrument clean. Finally, who is this clarinet for? The kit is presented as suitable for a wide audience, including school bands, adults, students, and beginners at all stages. It's suggested for practice, ensemble performance, or even as a gift. Portability is highlighted as a significant advantage, as it comes with a hard case featuring padded straps, making it convenient to carry to lessons, rehearsals, or performances. Overall, the Hikarinowa B-flat beginner student clarinet appears to be a well-thought-out instrument for new players, focusing on durability, ease of use, and providing a foundation for developing good playing habits and producing a pleasant sound.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.